Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry for JEE Advanced. We will go through a full guide to help you prepare effectively. First, it is crucial to understand the exam pattern and syllabus in depth. Focus on building strong conceptual clarity across physical, inorganic, and organic chemistry. Regular practice with a variety of problems is key, and analyzing past papers will highlight important areas. This structured approach will significantly boost your preparation. For physical chemistry, begin by grasping fundamental concepts such as stoichiometry, chemical kinetics, and thermodynamics. There are often around 10 to 12 numerical problems in the exam, so memorizing essential formulas and their derivations is vital for quick recall. Practice solving a wide range of numerical problems with precision, aiming for accuracy in your calculations. Understanding how principles apply in various scenarios will solidify your knowledge and improve problem-solving speed. When tackling inorganic chemistry, concentrate on periodic trends, chemical bonding, and coordination compounds. It is essential to understand common reaction mechanisms, and importantly, the exceptions to general rules, which frequently appear in questions. Creating concise, self-made notes for quick revision of facts and reactions will be immensely helpful. Dedicate time to practicing the identification of compounds and accurately predicting reaction products, as this forms a significant portion of the questions. To ace organic chemistry, thoroughly master all reaction mechanisms and name reactions. A deep understanding of isomerism, including stereochemistry, and their implications is crucial for solving complex problems. Practice a variety of synthesis problems and learn retrosynthesis techniques to work backward from products. Focus on the transformations of functional groups and the specific reagents used for each step. Consistent practice will build your intuition and problem-solving skills in this challenging but rewarding section.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.